Hey, what's up, y'all? Check it out. We making sauce today, aka hog head cheese, y'all. Check it out. Instead of using the whole hog head like you normally do, we gonna take pig snoot and neck bone, boil them down, and make our hog head cheese. But anyway, y'all, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So we gonna start off. We gonna fill our pot up with some water. And hey, we gonna get our neck bones in. Once we get our neck bones in, we gonna get our snoot in. And hey, don't forget, thumbs up, thumbs down. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. And leave me a comment down below, guys. Leave me a comment down below. But anyway, check out this snoot, y'all. You wanna have your snoot. You wanna have it fatty, but you know, if you can get a little meat on it, get some meat on it. But of course, you know, you need that fat, so when it all come together, it gels. But anyway, let's get this on the stove. Turn our high to medium high heat. And yeah, let's get this boiling, y'all. Now I'll add 2 tablespoons of salt in here. Now yeah, this is all we looking for, y'all. Just keep boiling it down. That's all we gotta do is boil it down until all the meat falls off the bone. That's what we looking for. Now this is an hour. It usually takes about 2 hours, but this is how the meat look after an hour. Alright, we done reached about 2 hours now. And as you can see, this is ready. You see how the meat has come away from the bone and everything is very tender? We ready to go, y'all. We ready to go. So let's cut this pot off and let it cool down so we can start picking our meat, y'all. Alright, we can let this cool down for about an hour. Because you know that was hot, y'all. So let's start picking our meat. And all we doing is getting all the meat, all the fat, everything off the bone. We want all of it. Everything but the bone. Oh yeah. This is how you want it. You want it tender, falling off, so it don't give you a lot of trouble. It's not hard. Hey, how you like it, y'all? Now we got all our meat picked off. The only thing we gonna do now, make it rain it on them, of course. Let's hit them with some salt. Come on in with some onion powder. Hit it with some garlic powder. Now this here is that white pepper, y'all. Oh yeah, keep them black bits out of there. Alright, now we coming in with that cayenne. You know I like my cayenne, y'all. With that cayenne pepper. I ain't gonna try to make it too spicy. Wifey might not like it if it's too spicy. So let's give this a quick mix. Then we're gonna come in with a little bit of red pepper flakes, y'all. Just a little bit. Like I say, I don't know how hot wifey would like it. Yeah, mix that really well. Once we get it mixed well, what we want to do, we want to come in with that juice. Now make sure you took all your bones and everything out of the pot and just juice coming out. Go ahead and get that juice poured right over. Now you might see a little few extra bits that fell out the pot, but that's meat, y'all. That's not bone. Oh yeah, just mix it up really well. Make sure everything gets down to the bottom. And hey, it'll be ready, y'all. Alright, so we ready to go. We just gonna let this cool off, and then we gonna get it in the refrigerator overnight, and we good. Alright, y'all, this is the next day. Hey, we done let it set up. Look pretty good. Say hello to my wifey.
Hello.
Her little crazy self. And we gonna test this out. That's a cut.
Oh, I got pork. See the pork in the top. Slide it down. Or would you rather have butter?
Alright, I got it.
Okay, now slice it in that way. Ouch! I need a piece for the cracker.
Let's check it out. Oh, you want to do the honors, honey?
Why not? I gotta sample it first. Okay. I'm gonna go from oh no. Go from the bottom. From this side.
Could be a piece too now.
Yeah, I got a long. Oh. You want to cut it in half? You want a cracker? I'm gonna need the cracker.
Get a good look at it.
I just never been brave to eat it alone.
You can get a cracker. What it tastes like, baby?
Oh yeah, that's on point. Now let's see what it tastes like on bread. Can you slice a little piece so I can take Mr. Sam's some? So I know he ate today.
Alright.
It's really good. Now you can make a hot one.
Well, I thought I had nothing to do too. We was gonna do one hot and one mild, but hey.
And then you can do a sauce. I think grainy like that one. Gotta smash it to make it right. Always have to smash your sandwich. Oh yeah. Now all I need is some brown swagger, chopped ham, and bologna, and lettuce and tomato. And you're gonna be on point with the fire sound. It's really good.
But anyway, y'all. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.